There we go. So, have in my hand numbers and more numbers. Let's go ahead and find out what they mean. And let's see how a Facebook post completely delayed this video. And get the hair out of my face. Let's get started.
Gotta see things, see new places and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget
Howdy. This is my scrap paper. It's what I originally used to write down the lash values that I was getting. The first value that you'll see up here is at 0.010 lash. The second value is at 0.012. What I did here was I went off the box that said 0.010. That gave me a duration of 238. Then I went onto the website, saw the cam had a lash of 0.012, set that, and that gave me closer to 236. It's not exactly 236. I got several different readings, which is why when you look at this picture, and if you pause the video when I'm writing it all down, it shows different measurements. Because I got different measurements without changing anything. Confused about that? I'm annoyed about that. I don't know what to think about that. Where this all came from though was a Facebook post. Fix my hair so I look all fluffy. Where this all came from was a Facebook post where I had posted the lift that I was getting, and a user in the Church of L series, Jeff P, said that I was doing it wrong by using 0 lash, and I should lash it for the duration and shoot for the duration that's on the box. Originally with 0 lash, it looked like a bigger cam. It looked like the Comp Cam's 292S, and this is a Comp Cam 290 or 280S, and it's supposed to have 280 duration. At 50, it's supposed to be 236 with 460 lift, and these numbers are within tolerance of the lift, being that I have larger lash pads. Everything actually looks good there. I can go through and fine tune it. Then we have this card, which is actually what I used for filming, and that should be up here now. And with this card, it was all at 0.012, and I got a duration of 236, 238, which doesn't jive fully with the numbers that I got here, which means I did two different measurements, or the same thing measured twice with the same equipment and no changes, and got different results. I'm okay with that. It's in the neighborhood. If I was going to use this cam, it wouldn't break my project. I'm good with that. The reason I'm not going to use this cam is because I don't have any head work done. I would not be able to come on power until about 3,000 RPM with this cam, and then I'd run out of power really quick as I approach 6,000 without good enough flow for it. The overlap is okay, the duration is okay, it's just that I don't have any port work done to the head. So it would run out of air before it could be fully utilized. Other than that, I think it'd be a good cam. I mean, I just don't want to over cam on my first go around, and I can save for room to grow, or look for a different cam when I start actually doing head mods down the road. Alright, so thank you for watching that little montage of me measuring for the 8th time on this one project. That's why it took so long. And be sure to leave any comments below. Let me know what you guys think on why I got different measurements for the same everything. And I'll see you guys later.